In this video, I will show you how to create or set up FAQ for Instagram business account or creator account. Open up your Instagram app. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. Proceed with professional dashboard. Click on this setting icon. Go ahead and click on frequent asked question. Then here you go. Make sure this particular button here is turned on. The next thing you want to do is to answer some of the questions right here. What type of service do you specialize in? Click on here to state the type of to give answer. Automated response, go ahead and click on here and tell them the nature of your business. You can as well delete question and add a new question. Then go back. Request an appointment, click on here. You can use this and delete question right here and create a new question. Delete this question will be deleted from your list of frequent asked questions. Click on delete. Once you delete, then you can click on add question right here. Then you can ask another question. What are your closing hours? Then give your response right here. You can go on and create different FAQ questions to your chat or your business account or your creator account or your Instagram account. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.